Do you guys really believe na everything happens for a reason because of God? That everything you have is because of God? At lahat ng naa-achieve at natatamo mo sa buhay is because of God? So, kung binugbog ka ng asawa mo, that's because of God's wills. God's wills, binigay sa'yo yan ng Panginoon. That was meant to happen kasi si God nasa gitna ng relasyon nyo. Ganun ba yon? Sabi nga nila, si God ang pumapagitna sa relasyon nyo. So, what's the point of this video? Let's talk about divorce. Because it is a hot topic here in the Philippines. Since alam naman natin na against ang church, Christians, sa divorce here in the Philippines. At alam niyo naman dito sa Pilipinas na mahal magpakasal. Mahal ang bayad sa pare. It's about like 20,000 to 50,000 para lang mapagdugtong kayo gamit ang salita ng Panginoon. Maraming tao ang against or tutol sa